Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're having a great day today. It is dinner time where we are and I'm preparing beef fajitas. Stay with me and I will show you how I do it. Let us prepare the meat. For this dish, I prefer to use steak cut meat. It could be sirloin, tenderloin, ribeye, or any other steak cut you want because the meat is easier to tenderize. So here I am cutting the meat in strips. Then I cut up the bell peppers also in strips. I am using both red and green, but any color of bell pepper will work. Next, I'm cutting up the onion, cut the same way. So here are the complete ingredients. I have the beef strips, bell peppers, onion, lemon. I have garlic powder, ground black pepper. I have salt, onion powder, and olive oil. But you can use any cooking oil instead of olive oil. Let us first marinate the meat. We start by putting salt, garlic powder, ground black pepper, onion powder, olive oil, and I squeeze some lemon juice into it. Then we mix them all together. Excuse the hands, but they're clean and it is easier for me. And you don't really need to marinate it long because it will be steamed on its own marinade. So let us start by putting the marinated meat with its marinade in a hot pan. I don't want to confuse you. Marinate and marinade are two different things. Marinade is the action of marinating and marinade is the sauce. So we just let that simmer. If the beef you have will take a while to tenderize, don't worry. Just add water and let it steam to get longer. And the flavor will still be there because the water will just evaporate in the process. And for this one, I did not add water. So we steam the meat in its own marinade until it is almost out of sauce. Then we add onion and bell pepper and we keep stirring until the sauce is dry. So the idea here is to get the meat and veggies to toast a little bit. And when this is cooked, you can put this in a tortilla and put some hot sauce in it and you have a beef fajita taco. But I am Filipino, so I eat this with rice. My friends, this is what it looks like when it is done. I hope you learned something from this video. Please hit like and subscribe for more videos, and feel free to write a comment below. Thank you for watching.